So everyone and their grandmother has had a seafood boil, but have you ever had a chicken wings boil? Come with me today while I make my chicken wing boil. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a stock with my chicken wing. I put in some dry rub, some peppers, some onions, some scallions, some thyme, some carrot for color. Then we're gonna wash our wings. A little bit of lemon, fresh running water. As always, I wash my wings in my sink. I don't like that, but that's how my brother roll. You know, I wash it in my sink, then I wash out my sink. I drain my wings and I put them in my pot and I let that boil medium. Yeah, we'll let that boil medium for 10 minutes, right? And then we're gonna get our oil, we're gonna get a saucepan, we're gonna heat that up, we're gonna take the wings out, but don't throw away what's left. What's left is very important for our chicken wing sauce. Crazy Chef, I haven't said this in a while. Big vibe. Let's like, share, and subscribe. I'm telling you, this chicken wing boil, the first time I did it, ooh, chef kiss. It was so good, right? I'm gonna chop up my spices. I am putting a little bit of olive peelers for garnish, even though you can put some chopped garlic, right? Look at that oil. Look at those wings shaking around. You know, my oil is nice and hot because I want my wings extra crispy, right? You don't want yours to be crispy. That's fine. A lot of people don't like them crispy. So I like like I said, for this boil, you need some chicken wings, you need some potatoes, you need some corn, and you need some sausage of your choice. Get it? Sausage of your choice? So, we're gonna get our wings nice, crispy, you know, nice golden color, and then we're gonna go from there. Right? Look at those wings. Voila. As I said, you'll need some boiled egg. You probably need to boil your egg ahead of time. Cool them down. Look at those sausage. Of your choice. You're using those Chinese sausage. Okay. So, put some potatoes in there. Put some corn in there. Look at those eggs. Beautiful. Right? So remember I said don't throw away the sauce, the stock, the juice. Take our hand blender and we're gonna puree that juice. Then we're gonna add it back in there. And you know, and I know, no boil is perfect without butter. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. Time to add the magic. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Game day, wings day. Add some parsley, shake that bad boy out. Put it in a bowl and serve. Crazy Chef, like, share, and subscribe. Look at that bad boy. Ooh la la. Ooh la la.